Where are they?
We have done earlier on.
Yes. The present chief secretary is not chief minister or in Delhi. So he said,
Came here to have a preparatory meeting of the successful planning of Bharat Jodo Nyay Yatra, which is going to be start from Manipur on 14th of January. You are all aware that All India Congress Committee has decided Bharat Jodo Nyay Yatra from 14th onwards under the leadership of our former Congress President Rahul Gandhi ji. Bharat Jodo Yatra Rahul ji had conducted by walking 4,500 kilometers from Kanyakumari to Kashmir. It was a historical program in the history of India. No political party or no other political leader has done that type of long walking from Kanyakumari to Kashmir. That yatra was a non-political yatra. हमारा slogan, you know that, नफरत के बाजार में मोहब्बत का दुख खोलने के लिए, for spreading love and affection. Now this Bharat Jodo Nyay Yatra we are doing from here Manipur to Mumbai by traveling 6,500 kilometers. We are very much, this is for Nyay, seeking Nyay for youth, Nyay for women, Nyay for farmers, Nyay for poor people. This yatra, the slogan is very clear. This is not a political yatra at all. This yatra is not connected with any election preparations also. We already told that this is a non-political yatra to make a big canvas for seeking Nyay for poor, for women, for youth and for farmers and for other walks of life. Why we are starting this yatra from Manipur? We thought that Manipur also need Nyay. Manipur also need justice. The wounds which happened in Manipur has to be healed. But there should be a affectionate spreading message, love spreading message from Manipur for this. That is why we are doing this yatra from Manipur. We are going from Manipur to Nagaland, Nagaland to Assam, Assam to Bengal, Bengal to Meghalaya, then Arunachal. We are traveling around 15 states. This yatra going to be one of the, after Bharat Jodo Yatra, this yatra also will create history. The way in which Rahul Gandhi interacted people through Bharat Jodo Yatra, you see that. When he came to Manipur also, you see that the way in which he interacted with the common people, the people who suffered. This yatra, we are starting from Manipur to spread the message of love and affection and to need justice for Manipur. That message we are going to keep. We are having a meeting of our leaders. We will plan it. It's going to be a big success. My PCC president and CLP leader told us now that they are waiting for an approval of this ground from the government of Manipur for the last 6-7 days. Finally, Bobi ji told that they told today evening they will give a final reply on that. Again we are telling this is not a political yatra. Don't politicize this yatra by denying these things. We are doing this yatra for future of the Manipur should be ensured. We are doing this yatra for healing the wounds of the Manipur. Whatever we can do, we have to do that. There is no political motive for this yatra. Therefore, I think the government should give permission for this ground tonight itself. Then only we can complete our stage preparations and everything. Because you know that it will take 4 or 5 days. We thought that last time also when the Rahulji came, you saw that entire thing what happened. They thought that we are going to make it as a political. We never went to a political statement also. One single political statement we didn't make then during the yatra. Because we only came to give a message of love and affection. Give a message for Manipur. Manipur is one of the important state of this country. The rest of the countries are paining by seeing this Manipur. I am coming from Kerala. The people of Kerala is also telling, how can Manipur burning like this? The entire country is pained because of the issues in Manipur. We need to have a Manipur with the progress, with giving maximum job opportunity to the young people of this state. That is why we are doing a very positive yatra. I think government of Manipur will give sanction for this Maidan today evening itself. That's all. Quite unfortunate. Basically, it is a question against the freedom of the press. Our country is a democratic country. The press is giving information to strengthen the democracy. Nowadays, there are different views about what the press is doing. But whenever the people from the press fraternity is going to arrest, then where you will have a freedom of press? Without freedom of press, how can you talk about the democracy in this country? That is totally condemnable.
Sir, today, what do you say about the Supreme Court judgment of Bilkis Banu's case?
Finally, Supreme Court haven't given justice to the real victim. Supreme Court given justice to real victim. That's all.